In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the best export settings in CapCut PC, whether you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform. Ensuring your video exports in the highest quality possible is essential. Poor export settings can lead to blurry visuals, grainy playback, or even awkward motion, which no one wants to see. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the key export settings you need to know, explain why each option matters, and help you optimize your videos for their final platform. Let's dive in. Now, before we get started, if you're new to CapCut or haven't downloaded it yet, it's a powerful video editing tool that's free to use. You can find a link in the description to get started with your own account. First, let's talk about resolution. For the best results, you'll want to match your export resolution to the resolution of your original footage. For example, if your footage was shot in 1080p, export it in 1080p. Similarly, if it's 4K footage, stick with 4K. The reason this is so important is that upscaling or downscaling during export can introduce blurriness or even strange visual artifacts that degrade the professional look of your video. Matching the resolution ensures your project stays true to its original quality. Next up is bitrate. This setting determines how much data is allocated to your video file, and for the sharpest visuals, you'll want to set the bitrate as high as your computer and storage can handle. Higher bitrates ensure better image quality, which is especially helpful for platforms like YouTube. YouTube applies heavy compression to uploaded videos, so starting with a high-quality source file reduces the chance of grainy or blocky playback after that compression. For 4K footage at 30 frames per second, a bitrate of 35 to 45 megabits per second is optimal. Keep in mind, though, that higher bitrates mean larger file sizes, so make sure you have enough storage space available. Now, let's move on to codec and format. In the export window, you'll want to select H.264 as your codec and MP4 as your format. H.264 is the industry standard for high-quality video compression. It strikes the perfect balance between file size and quality, making it ideal for online platforms. MP4, on the other hand, is one of the most widely compatible video formats, ensuring your content will play smoothly on virtually any device or platform. Another critical setting is frame rate. Be sure to set your export frame rate to match the frame rate of your original footage. For example, if your video was shot at 30 frames per second, export it at 30 FPS. Matching your source frame rate guarantees that the motion in your video will look natural and fluid. If the frame rates don't align, you might notice stuttering or unnatural movement in the final export. Now let's discuss platform-specific settings to make sure your video looks its best wherever you're uploading it. If you're creating content for YouTube, always export at the highest resolution available, preferably 4K if your footage was filmed in 4K. YouTube's compression is quite aggressive, so providing the cleanest, sharpest source file will yield the best playback quality after processing. File size isn't a major concern here unless you're on a very tight upload deadline. For Instagram and TikTok, you'll want to export at 1080p. If you're creating standard posts, use a resolution of 1920 by 1080 for a horizontal format. For vertical content like Reels or Stories, flip that resolution to 1080 by 1920. Since these platforms are optimized for mobile viewing, 1080p strikes the perfect balance between clarity and file size. For frame rate, 30 FPS is ideal to prevent excessive compression on these platforms. Finally, let's talk about sharpening for social media. Social platforms often soften videos during compression, which can make your footage look less crisp. To counter this, you can add an adjustment layer in CapCut and gently increase the sharpen value in the Adjust tab. This helps your footage retain its clarity after upload. Be careful not to overdo it, though, as excessive sharpening can introduce unwanted noise. Always preview your export before uploading to fine-tune the sharpening level. And there you have it. Today, we covered everything you need to know about optimizing your export settings in CapCut PC. From matching your resolution and frame rate to choosing the right bitrate, codec, and platform-specific settings. With these steps, you'll be able to ensure your videos look professional and polished no matter where you share them. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.